Hi friends! Welcome back and thanks for coming back to join us once again as we explore another wonderful location. We're always happy to see you here. Lucky for us that this road trip is a scenic one. Today's destination has us traveling upstream and climbing a few hills. The views will be worth the effort, and we'll surely find an opportunity to also have a bit of fun. After all, that's what it's all about, right? Let's explore Mount Saint Helens. Mount Saint Helens is the result of plate tectonics along the edges of the Pacific tectonic plate, which is also the largest tectonic plate on Earth. The string of volcanoes that form along the Pacific plate has been given the name, the Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire isn't so much a circle, but more of a horseshoe. It is though every bit as fiery as its name would have you expect. There are more than 450 volcanoes, and 75% of all Earth's active volcanoes are dotted along the Ring of Fire. That's not to mention either that 90% of the world's earthquakes occur in this region as well. Mount Saint Helens is located in the Cascade Range where the North American and Pacific tectonic plates meet. The Cascade Range runs 800 miles from southern British Columbia to northern California. Mount Saint Helens is just one of many volcanoes in this region. After its infamous eruption in May of 1980, much of the nearby flora and fauna population suffered great losses, and habitats were completely destroyed and seemingly forever altered. But even though the signatures of the devastating eruption that happened 40 years ago are still ever present and scattered as far as the eye can see, the local plant and animal life has proved to be resilient and is making a much welcome comeback. Never count out Mother Nature and its ability to create beautiful things, or her ability to take it away in an instant either. The forces of nature can be truly awesome in every sense of the word. It's probably best to stay on her good side. You may think that having just erupted just a few decades ago that Mount Saint Helens wouldn't be due to be erupting again anytime soon, but many geologists have named Mount Saint Helens the most likely of the contiguous United States volcanoes to erupt. But don't you worry, we won't let those pesky scientists and their fancy hammers get in the way of having a good time. I mean, scientists, what do they know anyways? Am I right?
Oh yeah.
The views and opinions expressed on this channel are based on absolutely nothing scientific, and no actual scientist would give a second's thought to anything advised by myself who doesn't even know anything scientific and only makes really bad YouTube videos.
Okay, so where were we? Oh, that's right, Mount Saint Helens. It sure is beautiful, isn't it? We hope you had fun and enjoy coming along with us for the experience. There are so many amazing things to see at Mount Saint Helens. We only saw a fraction of what this awesome place has to offer. If you would like to see more of this beautiful place, then we highly recommend you visit one day. What is your favorite spot or place to visit? Tell us in the comments below. We love hearing about new places to go, so if you have any suggestions, we'd really like to hear them. We hope to see you back here again soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see more.